How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this microwavable bowl. So I've got a couple products from this company, and what I really like about it is the quality. So it's packed very well. It has this nice little protective pack, little thank you note. And whenever I open this up, you're going to see this is a glass, container. Other than just having a glass container, because I feel like glass cleans so much easier than plastic, it's got this nice rubber lid. And the rubber lid, seals in. It's got little slots where it connects onto the glass, but it has this vent. So this vent is extremely useful. You can twist it around like that. So whenever you're microwaving things, you want to have that steam come out. So, some things don't, and you would have to put like a cover on it, but you can just leave the lid right on it and throw it in the microwave. I think that's a huge pro. And then if you want to clean this, you could put this in the wash, or you could just kind of scrub on it and clean it. But yeah, it can handle the heat, and this is great. It's it says 3.25 cups for how much it can hold. It's got a little bit of a tint to it, so that's I don't know. It's kind of like a goldish hue. Maybe it's the lighting, but yeah, I think the glass just has like a slight hue to it, which is cool. But the most important thing is going to be this rubber lid with the vent hole. So I would use this for some smaller items. Maybe I have rice and chicken, or I have some soup, or really anything, and I just want to pop it in the microwave. I could see myself, cooking with this. It's glass, so that's a huge benefit over plastic, in my opinion. It's a good size. It's not huge. It's not too small. So I'm really impressed with it, and I can't wait to use it.